Yo dudes, welcome to Easy 5-Minute Nacho Bowl. This is the first time I've done a 5-minute dinner series on my own, and this is multifaceted, so I am a little nervous. I don't know if I can do this, but let's have fun. Right, as it says, I'm gonna cook this in 5 minutes. I have my alarm out here. On your marks, contestants, are you ready? Yes, feeling nervous. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, time's on, right. First step, I got my pan nice and hot. I'm gonna go in with a squirt, probably about 2 tablespoons of oil. Bunch of scallions here, I'm just chopping them up loosely enough. I'm chopping them up because the main reason why I'm using scallions as opposed to normal onions is because when they are slightly raw or undercooked, they still taste good. This is exciting, can we do it right? Into the pot. Nice, good sizzle going there, right. Into that. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Just saves me having to chop it. Into that I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes. So there's 3 components here. So we have we're gonna do a lentil bolognese, or our, I don't know what it is. No sé lo que es en español, pero vamos. Okay, so we're gonna put in a tin of chopped tomatoes. In on top of that, to balance the acidity, I've got 1 tablespoon of maple syrup or liquid sweetener. To add a little bit of umami, 1 teaspoon of tamari. In on top of that, just to add a little bit of freshness or vitality, I've got 1 beef tomato. Obviously my knife is good and sharp. Oh, sugar, right. Time is diminishing. And that goes. I've got a tin of lentils which I've chopped and rinsed. This is just to add a bit more protein, a little bit more flesh, a little more grizzle, and to give that more traditional bolognese-like taste to it. I'm going in with the serrated knife here, just quicker than the rest of this tomato. So this is 300 grams of fresh tomato. Just adds more bite, more texture, and makes it look a little fresher. In that goes. Next knife, chili. I'm leaving the seeds in, just chop it nice and fine. Test your knife skills. We're down to in the 2-minute mark, right. Okay, I've left the seeds in. In it goes. I've left it kind of large, a little bit crispy. Let's give it a mix up. Okay, with this, if I wanted, I could start adding in lots of spices, cumin, coriander seed, smoked paprika, etc., etc. I'm just gonna leave that cook away while I make a quick-fired cheesy nacho. So, into a blender, I've got 175 grams of cashew nuts, which I soaked overnight, or else you could boil them for 10 minutes. Into that, I've got 1 roasted red pepper. That'll make it nice and orangey. I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. In that goes juice of half a lemon. Recipe will be on the website if you are looking for it, because I might have missed a detail here. And then I've got 120 ml of water. In it goes, lid on top of the blender. And here we go. Can we do it? Can we do it, folks? Blend until super smooth. Let's check on time. 1 minute 51. Okay, most important thing, taste and season. Okay. Pinch of salt. I'm looking for ground cumin. I'm putting a few cumin seeds through just to give it a little bit more texture. There's our cashew nacho cheese, looking great. Right, turn that off. Time to make a quick fire guacamole, if time permits. 1 minute 13, right. Be very quick guacamole. Chopped an avocado. I'm taking it out of its skin, popping it in there. There we are. Whew. Time. 44 seconds right here. We're just gonna hack it up. So, right, if I had more time, I would chop it up a little better. I'd make it more into proper guacamole. But, splash a little bit of lemon on it. A little bit of salt. Right, time to layer this up. So, into our bowl. tight on time, right? 22 seconds, right? We're going half of this over one side. I'm gonna go corn chips down here. I'm gonna go more on top. Excuse my layering. Okay, time's up! Component. Time to layer this up right quickly. Little bit of nacho cheese. Nacho cheese. Drizzle it over the top. A little bit of guacamole or avocado on top. A few more corn chips on the side. And just to finish it off, I think I've one spare chili somewhere here. Just to finish it off, just for a little extra bite, just gonna slice a few little bits of red chili. A few sprigs fresh coriander. And voila. Ese es el nachos. Son listo. Here we go, right, time to check them out. I'm just gonna go straight in there. It's amazing the flavor that's in it, considering it literally took 5 minutes from start to finish. The nacho cheese is super sweet. It's super smooth, it's super creamy, like it tastes rich. And you'd be surprised, even with that tomato or bolognese sauce, there's a lot of flavor in that. This is a wonderful recipe in case someone's coming over last minute. And one of the secrets to that is to use ingredients that have taken a long time to develop the flavor, such as tamari can often take 6 months to a year to ferment. Cashew nuts are bringing fat, avocado is bringing fat, the lentils are already cooked for us. Woo! I'm excited. Anyway, recipe down below. Literally took me 5 minutes, maybe 6 minutes max, including layering up. But it's a great recipe to have in your artillery. It's delicious, it's tasty. And thank you for watching. We've got lots of other chefing courses and online courses linked down below for our courses. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of this channel. And if you do make this, please tag us on social media. Thanks for watching. Wishing you a great day. Cheers.